And welcome back to my channel, Chef Ever Cooking, and I'm here to show you how to make a delicious pecan praline. So what you'll need is, I have 2 cups of pecans, I have a cup of sugar, I have a cup of brown sugar, I have 3 tablespoons of butter, I have an eighth of a teaspoon of baking soda, and I have 1 cup of heavy cream. All right, let's get started. Okay, to make the pralines, what you'll need to do is first add the butter. So we're just melting the butter first. We're not trying to get a brown butter, but we're just melting it. And we have the heat under a medium to low heat. So we're going to cook this down or melt it down. Okay, our butter is fully melted. Now we're going to add our brown sugar. We're going to add our white sugar. Add our baking soda. I'm going to mix this in. So we're almost making like a caramel sauce. So okay, this is getting mixed in. We're gonna add our heavy cream. So we are going to cook this mixture until it's 241 degrees. Then we're going to take it off the heat and then add our pecans. Now, a secret to this is you want to keep on continually stirring because the sugar and also the heavy cream, you do not want it to burn, so you have to keep on stirring. Now, what's good about the baking soda in here is it keeps it nice and airy. There's some recipes you can do it without. So I find this one actually comes out pretty foolproof. So okay, so our mixture just hit 241, so we're going to take it off. Now next, we're going to add our pecans to our mixture. Now we're going to give a good mix. So next, after this, we're going to let it cool down for a minute. And then we're going to start portioning out our pralines. Okay, I have our sheet tray right here. I have parchment paper on it. So we're going to start portioning out our pralines in just another minute. Just needs to cool down a little bit more. Okay, so when our mixture gets like this, it's starting to cool down nicely. So this is what you're looking for. So what we're going to do, we're going to take a spoonful, dab it down. Like so. Oh, these are going to be delicious. We're going to let them rest for at least 10 minutes, and then you'll be cool enough to eat. Okay, it's been 10 minutes. We're going to take our pralines off. And just plate them. Oh, these are going to be really good. There you go. And there we have it. We have our pralines. Now let's dig in. Mmm, that's really good. If you'd like to see more content like this, please like and subscribe. And thank you for watching. Now it's your turn. Thank you.